experience that this type of program has been conducted. Um, so anyway, it was a mixed because the thing is that mixed feelings I'm having. The thing is that at some particular point of time, it was a little hard in the sense, arranging. Arranging the resource persons for the program. So you will have to talk to different people, getting things done, and see things. When you try to do things, it won't be that much easy. At some particular point of time, it becomes difficult. So at some part of it, it was a little difficult, and also this pandemic situation was another issue. But of course, I'm so happy to see that a lot of participants from all over India has joined this particular function, this particular FTP, and you have got benefited out of this particular FTP. And I was when we conceived this particular project, we were not thinking that this project would have been, have gone, or this would have been initially and all. We were thinking that see, most of the people know about all these fundamental things. That's what the discussion that was going on. What is the point in talking about Google Apps when all the people are using it? So that is a basic thing that we were discussing. Then I told, okay, fine. If that is the case, then we'll start with something which is known, and then we'll go into unknown things for new things. That is the reason why we started Google Apps on the first class itself. So at that time, sir told, that we all are using Google Apps. So he's trying to put in a lot of, some of the newer components that he has come across and he has used. That's what he has told at that particular point of time. Okay, so it was a learning experience for me. It was a real learning experience for me. And of course, as any coordinator face problem, uh, getting things done, getting approvals, then resource persons not turning up, all those in the last moment, arranging for another resource person, all those things I have looked into. And when the participants are telling the requirements, we are trying for reaching out to new, resource persons and arranging it. So I feel it was a real good learning experience, and it has given me a lot of insights into the whole thing. And I'm so happy that a lot of people are benefited out of this particular program. So at this particular point, I would like to get the feedback of the participants. So we'll be using the time which is for this particular session specifically for the feedback from the various participants. So the floor is yours. You may please record your feedbacks. Okay then, thank you. Please note that feedbacks is very important for us in the sense that we need to know whether we have done good or we have whether we have gone wrong somewhere. That is one part of it. Second part of it is a mandatory requirement. We are supposed to uh, submit the feedbacks received from the participants to ATEL, because then only ATEL will know, ATEL Academy will know that okay, the participants, whether the participants benefited from this program, or whether it was whether the participants did not benefit from this program. Okay, so feedbacks are
Good
very
evening, sir.
important. So please, yeah, okay, sir, John, sir.
Yes, sir. This is John Samuel from Srinivas Ramanujan Institute of Technology, Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. I am from mechanical background, sir. The content, so whatever it was delivered, so through these 5 days FDP, so it was very nice, sir. Initially, like you said, I also felt that like Google Apps and some other things, I think we know already like this. So this was my opinion, but once we started listening to the sessions, so when they were telling some points related to those things, so I was thinking like, okay, I never used this kind of thing like that. And one more thing was, you have taken the um, participants this one, and you have arranged those sessions. So that was also very nice. So regarding this thing, sir. Previous year I have got 3 Atal FDP certificates, and this year this is my second FDP. I am attending through Atal. Out of these 5 FDPs, I can tell you that your FDP was like number one, sir. So I can definitely tell that because entirely well organized and the content delivered by each and every resource person. So it was very good, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your good words. I'm not sure. The problem is that okay, Jayashree ma'am is going to tell.
Yes, sir. Sir, you were requesting for cultural, so I am also ready for one song. Hello? Abhi, sir?
Yes, I'm hearing. Please do sing, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. But I want all of them to open their mic and sing with me. When I say ching-cha, 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 they should also say ching-cha, ching-cha, ching-cha.
Okay. Agreed.
Okay, all of you please.
All agreed.
All of you please open your mic.
Okay.
Can all of you open your mic?
Madam.
For this few minutes enjoyment.
Opened.
Sure, madam.
Okay. Yeah.
தோட்டுக்கடை ஓரத்திலே தோடு ஒன்றாங்க தோடு ரெண்டாங்க தோடு உணங்க வாங்கியாந்தே சிங்கா சிங்கா all of you can say chinka 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 okay வளவிக்கட ஓரடில வளவி ஒன்னாங்க வளவி ரெண்டாங்க வளவி மூணாங்க வாந்தியாந்தே சிங்கா 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 yes கொலுசு கடை ஓரடில கொலுசு ஒன்னாங்க கொலுசு ரெண்டாங்க கொலுசு மூணாங்க வாங்கியாந்தே சிங்கா சேலக்கடை ஓரத்தில சேல ஒன்னாங்க சேல ரெண்டாங்க சேல மூணாங்க வாங்கியாந்தே சிங்கா 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 Thank you so much, dears. Thank you so much.
Madam, the feedback also from your side.
I didn't hear that.
The song was good. The song was great. And the feedback also. Handsome.
Yeah, this is nothing but one girl is being appreciated by the boy who is loving her. So he is bringing all what she wanted, like bangles, a bracelet. She is bringing anklet, kammal, sari, all these things. So he is telling all this I have brought to you. Don't you love me? That is the song.
Ma'am, turn on your video, ma'am,
Great,
please.
sir. Great,
Yeah,
ma'am.
it's a folk song. It's a folk song.
Okay,
That's why I thought, okay, Chinka, at least everyone will sing now. Abhi sir will be happy that everybody did something cultural. Okay, now I am coming back to my feedback. And you know, sir, John sir said no something about the quality of the program. The same is my opinion that customization of FDP we should learn from you, sir. We should learn the customization from you. Because anyone who is putting something, sir, do you know about this? Can we get some information about this? Immediately you are arranging a faculty and bringing them for the discussion. That was awesome, sir. That was awesome. Yeah, we have been going through a number of programs, FDPs and people organizers now. They even feel very much irritable if they are able to get the person engaged. The person appointed already, if he is not coming, they will feel irritable. But now, people, those who are already appointed, already are there, and you also arrange some other people for extra topics. That is awesome, sir. That was your effort. And you know, sir, we learned a big thing for a teacher from you. That is total commitment. Total commitment to total session, total quality, total timing, everything, sir. That was awesome. I should actually salute you, sir, for that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And it was an ocean of knowledge of different methodologies, different pedagogy, and tools of teaching, tools of learning. Everything was totally pakka, well packed program, sir. Thank you so much for that. And one thing, the very great feature of this FDP is, I should tell in Malayalam, the Nishkalangayaye Ebi, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. Maybe we can look at, the feedback from other participants also.
Yeah, AB sir, myself Rajashree.
Yes, Rajashree, ma'am.
School, Calcutta. So your FTP and your arrangement, the way you organize the whole thing is unparalleled. Awesome, sir. That's what I can only apply. But here I want to mention one thing, that your cooperation. Whenever I ask that I'm having some network issue, sir, when this thing is going to happen, the timing, all the time I have seen that you answer me, maybe in the WhatsApp group and in the chat box. So thank you very much for your cooperation, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Without you, the way you conduct the whole thing, that is excellent, sir. Excellent.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Rajashree, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Any more feedbacks?
Sir, very good evening.
Tell me, sir.
Sir, this is Dr. Saktivel, Tamil Nadu.
Okay, sir.
Actually, attending this is the 6th FTP, Atal FTP.
Okay, sir.
Actually, I am really happy, and the coordinator, you and all, very soft, very polite. Whenever participants requested, you have done very nicely with a smiling face and words and all. It is, we are extremely happy. And you organized the sessions very nicely. Thank you very much, sir. Great
Okay,
session.
sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you. Thank you for your nice words. Okay, sir. Any further feedbacks so that
AB sir, good evening. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Albert, sir.
Good evening, sir. Okay, so thank you so much for organizing this excellent FTP. So first of all, I'd like to thank Dr. A.B. David, sir, for organizing this, and also be patient at all times, and organizing in a very professional manner. Okay, so the inputs, what are the things required for the teaching learning process? Because hopefully we are teachers, but in spite of that, how our teaching learning it reaches the student community is a very big question mark. That's a problem, because due to this COVID-19, we are all in the online classes. So we know that even some of the people are attending the FTP, they will be switching on and they will be moving out. Okay, and AB sir, if they are calling them, they won't be get to reply. It means that they are not there. So same thing is happening for the students also. So that's the reason many of the online classes at the middle, we cannot be able to call the students at the middle to ask whether they are there or not. So for that, this FDP has given a very great overview about how to expose to this teaching learning process. Because when we speak about this NBA, National Board of Accreditation, so we can able to tell that the last PO number 12 is lifelong learning. So this is also a lifelong learning for us to adapt with the new technologies, and also EBSERS, that flipped classroom, and also the various other software tools on LaTeX. And so those things are really helpful for us in order to make the customized format of our course content. So this FDP has created a big impact on us. So even though in 2019, I received the Best Teaching Innovator Award from MHRD, the National Teaching Innovator Award in 2019. So at that time, I have developed some teaching learning tools related to simulation and animation. So entire course content I converted into animations for the students of electrical engineering. I am from the electrical department, so I have converted all my power electronics topics into animations. So that made the impact, and it was reached to the level of national award. But the meanwhile, this kind of new technologies like flipped classroom and also those things, it will be help us for us to meet the students very nearby. For that, this FDP has created a very wonderful platform for me, because I have not missed any of the classes, and this has created a very good platform to adapt to the new technologies, because we don't know how far the COVID will extend, how many days or how many months or how many years we want to live with the COVID, and how many things we want to stay away from the students community. So these online tools makes a very big platform. So in this context, I can also share some of the points, like how we can able to convert our course content, our course system, or course delivery in the digitized format. So those things will have a very great impact with the students community. So the ultimate objective is only on the teaching learning process, and certainly that has been without any hesitation. So this FDP has created a very good justice for the teaching learning process, and I was very satisfied with all the course content and all the speakers and the resource persons. They have did their level best in order to meet the each and everything, because even some of the times they cannot able to see the chat box, but even in spite of that, they've answered all the queries. Whatever the queries we raised, everything, it was very informative. And also sincere thanks to Abhi David sir for this particular organizing this wonderful event. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, I think no one is ready to give any feedback. Then give the question paper, sir, please.
Since I talked, I think Abhi sir itself left the.
No. The connection when you went
Not
off.
like that. Not
Don't
like
like
that.
that, Albert sir. The
That's
connection
what
went off.
I'm just
He is
searching for
trying
Abhi sir.
No, he is
The connection
in
went off
another
in
2
between.
minutes. He has to put us in fix now for an exam. That's why he is absconding. He will post the question paper immediately. He will abscond. That's what going to be the toughness of the question paper.
I'm scouting.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you
Good
for
evening,
your
sir.
nice words, sir.
Good evening,
Sushila
sir.
ma'am.
Yes, myself Sushila Shankar from Teni, Nadar Saraswati College of Arts and Science, and this is my
Okay.
third Atal FDP, and really wonderful. And I am a management department. Actually, we are not having much knowledge in the technical part of computers, but today after attending the FDP, I gathered many things about the technology world, and really thankful. And thank you, sir, for your team for the excellent FDP program. And actually, I am the product of Vimala College of Thrissur. And now I am working in Teni for the past 24 years. And when I am attending this FDP, I feel it is as a motherhood. That is the terms which Malayalam words I can hear. Thank you for the wonderful FDP, sir. Thank you.
Thank you for your nice words, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Feedback, other feedbacks? Any other feedback?
Sir, this is Dr. Subhashri from Tamil Nadu. And the program was well organized and it was very nice. And especially Abhay sir is managing the entire session. And if suppose if people are coming late and in between interacting with all faculty members, it is very, very good and very nice, sir. And as far as NBA is concerned, they are focusing more towards active learning, and especially these program, like our FDP, will give a very good new part to our faculty members. Very nice. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you for your nice words, ma'am. Any other feedbacks coming up?
Sir, I am Dev from Tamil Nadu, Tirumurti Hills.
Dev sir.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
tell me, sir.
So, thank you for your opportunity. I am from Tamil Nadu, Tirumurti Hills for Munumelapet. I am Department of Yoga. It is my new technology for this Google side work. I did a lot of FDP, but not like this, that technology side. I did any education side, CME, like that. So it is a new opportunity and new way. So if I practice in daily, then I can think yoga can be making to improve the technology. At present, that our president told the yoga not is a education, it is a technology. So we can utilize. So it is a very nice, and every sir, I have to give you thank you for all the resource person are very good, excellent, and they having well known knowledge about this subject. Thank you, sir, for again for all the faculties, and thank you, sir. You also. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your nice words.
Thank you, sir.
Any more feedbacks? Any more feedbacks?
Sir, good evening, sir. I am Vinod from MS Raman Institute of Technology. I am working as an assistant librarian, sir. To support teaching community, just I joined this FDP, sir. I learned a lot and how I can go and help my teaching community. And way of this one, I am telling the greatness of you really participating lively, and each chart you are not leaving any resource person and got explanation. When you are leaving some minutes means nobody resources person is attending charting, then immediately you are responding the same. We are thankful you, sir, and just tell you on my behalf participants, I am great thing for your background heroes also, sir. Technical support. Thank you, and
Sir.
bye.
Thank you. Thanks for your nice words. Any more feedbacks? Any more feedbacks coming up? Any more feedbacks coming up? Any more feedbacks? Anyone else wants to tell the feedback? Are you good? Okay, if no one is there, I think almost all the people, some people have used the chat box to give a reply, and others have told the reply. And Umesh sir, I think Umesh sir is also busy. I think he told that he will be outside and all, and he may not be able to join the session. Sir, undo line undo. Bulicho Umesh sir, undo line undo. Umesh sir, are you here? Umesh sir, I think Umesh sir has joined. That's what Nitin sir joined there. Is he there?
Yes, I'm here.
Umesh sir. I think you might have heard some of the feedbacks, right?
Yeah. Very happy to see that participants enjoyed the session.
That's what.
Yeah.
Particularly, this idea was basically Umesh sir idea of we had a discussion. When we had the discussion from our casual chat only, this idea of this FDP came up. It was not an idea. It was not basically an FDP at that particular point of time. It was just a training program. So we developed into an FTP depending upon based on the requirements of adult. So we have put in these contents. Basically, we have targeted on content development. So which is going to be useful for teachers. Now, to tell you frankly, this 5 days, 14 and odd sessions, We have given you certain guidelines only and certain hands-on experience and guidelines. So it is not, all-inclusive thing. You will have to practice on your own, and then only you will be in a position to master things, learn things. The resource person also will be happy to help you. If you can contact back, then the resource person will be helping you in your problems. They are happy to help you out. Umesh sir, are you having a few words to, as a reply?
Yes, definitely. Yeah. And basically, the program doesn't end here. As you know, teachers are in a way students, and teachers has to learn or revise and revamp their career or academics every time. So I'm a teacher in the early stages of my career. So I used to do that. I didn't attend any kind of training program to regarding this Google Apps or any such programs, but I learned myself. So I think we can all learn yourself if you get a target or a basic fire or basic, let's say, a starting point. So I think this FDP would serve as a starting point to all of you, so that you can develop yourself and coming flying colors, and you can use your, valuable time to maybe learn more on this, and maybe you can right away use that to your teaching methods. That will automatically reflect in your teaching, and that will actually helping the students to learn better way. So we are also always happy to have some comments or feedback or discussion afterwards also. Maybe if you have any questions in some topic, you can also contact us to maybe clear that. So we are always there to interact with you. So thank you very much for joining. I think this FTP has people from all parts of India. So we are very happy to have that, see that, and we'll be very happy to associate and communicate with you if you have any queries or discussions in coming days. Thank you very much. Thank you for your kind participation. That's all.
Sir, thank you so much, sir, Umesh sir. And regarding the test and other things, attendance already is available here, and the portal is open for attendance. So we will be posting your attendance over there. Then, as far as the test is concerned, as we have already told, after this we will be giving the test link. So you can use 1 hour is the timing. We have set a clock for that also, and you can do the test and submit the answers. Okay, it online, it will be reflected, and then of course you all might be knowing how to get the certificate also. You can directly download it from there. Please don't forget to put the feedback, program feedback in the adult portal. So that is one prerequisite, because that is the participant feedback. So they are asking feedback from the coordinator also. So we'll be putting the coordinator feedback also. So please note these points. So please be careful that all these points are being done, and you can download the things in a proper way. I'm very happy that such a program was organized, and initially I was thinking that no one would register for this. Maybe someone told very few people are going to register for this, but we got a huge registration. And around, over the days, around 60 to 90 participants were attending almost all the sessions. Some of the participants, they have attended all the sessions, some have attended few. Some has attended, out of this 60 to 90 participants, they have almost attended almost all the sessions. So that was really, a very encouraging thing for us. And actually, anyway, this is an elementary FDP only. There will be an advanced FDP as per the norms of Adult Academy. There will be an advanced FDP following this. So towards this, if you have any suggestions, if you have any what's that called? If you have any any positive ideas to give us. We are always open to ideas. Anyway, the WhatsApp group, as we have told earlier, that will be active for some more days. It will be active for some more time, wherein you will be in a position to post your comments or post your query and all those things, which we will be trying to rectify. So those are the main points that I want to tell this, and I'm very happy, and I thank my team also. The team was Umesh sir, myself, and Nidin Narayan sir. So we were able to work as a team and see that this FDP these 5 days of the FTP has gone in a proper good way, and things are being done. All the other things, here arrangements and all those things have been done in a proper way. So I'm so happy, and I want to thank my teammates, and also I want to thank the college authorities who have permitted me, particularly the principal and the director Cape and the other dignitaries, the other HODs who have adjusted my work and all, and the faculty members who have helped me out. Number of people over there, and a lot of people have helped me as far as they have come here as resource persons, and they have delivered the topics and all those things. They have helped me in that way also. So I'm happy, and I'm thankful to each one of you, and all the most I'm thankful to each of you participants who have participated in this in this FTP and made this as a huge success. And thank you once again for this. And with these few words, I thank all involved in this FTP. I declare that we are closing. We can close this FTP by this time. Okay. Then regarding the some queries have come. One is actually regarding the test and all. Some queries have come, and let me try to answer this queries. Is a deadline for completion of the test. Look, by tomorrow midnight you'll have to complete. All sessions are any feedback form from your side. No, we are not supposed to. I don't think that this is the feedback that we are recording this feedback, and I think that is sufficient.
No, sir. AB sir.
Okay, tell. If there is some change in this, please tell this.
No. Actually, this for your project submission, you have to need these feedback. But for us to get a certificate and attendance thing, we need to submit one feedback from the ATAL. ATAL will open feedback, and that feedback we have to give. And it is about the resource persons. There will be all the list of resource persons will be in the pop down menu. We have to choose who was the best for what, and all that. We have to choose.
No, ma'am, I've gone through that particular document, and it's not telling document as such. Here it is telling recorded this thing. So we are recording this session, and this will have to be sent.
That is for organizers, sir. That is for organizers. But for participants, for us, there is another feedback which is on ATAL, which will be open
in your ATAL portal. In your ATAL portal, it is there, right?
Yes.
In your ATAL portal. In our ATAL portal. In this portal, in this feedback portal, they are asking for video clipping.
Okay, that is for organizers. But for participants, we need to rate the resource persons. That kind of one feedback is there. That is must. Without that, they won't give certificate.
That feedback, I think you can that they have done. It will be open in your portal. That you have to do.
By now, it is open already.
Okay. That you will have to do. You'll have to do that.
Yes, it is.
Do that. That time in the beginning itself. In the beginning itself, I told in your portal you have to go there and put in your feedback.
Yes. That we have.
That I have already told. And apart from that, no other feedback form is necessary. Only adult feedback is sufficient. Okay, no other feedback. In case if any documentation is needed, we all are having your email ID and all those things, so we can reach back to you. It's not so much difficult.
Sir, this is why I said Anytime we are in dream, we can get in touch. No, any help you want from this team, we'll be ready, sir. No issues.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, okay. Thank you so much. So thank you all participants.
Sir,
Thanks all participants.
every time you are saying this is first time I am conducting, but it didn't look like that. It showed that you are
No,
expert
no,
in that.
no, no. What I'm trying to tell is that it's the first time I'm conducting an adult training program.
Okay,
I
okay.
had conducted other training programs. I know how to do other training programs, but the adult training program, it's the first time I'm doing Adult Academy. Adult Academy,
Okay,
they are
sir.
telling lot of things. Other type of funding agencies, they won't tell anything like that. So they
Yes,
will be
yes.
telling only utilization certificate and all usual things.
Yes, yes.
So that's it. Here it is a little different. That's what. That's the thing only. So it's I'm doing first time. That's the only thing that I do. So
No need to worry,
are
sir.
there
You have done
anything?
100% perfect.
Okay, okay. Anyone wants to add anything, or shall we close the session? Is there anyone who wants to add anything? Okay. Someone asked me one thing, and I just wanted to tell that. Someone asked me whether it is possible for me to share the what's that called? The details. That is the contact details of other participants. Look, I have asked Adel Academy on this matter, and they have not given uh, any feedback. And I'm actually a little skeptic about this because the problem is that I'm not sure whether it is going to cross the limits of privacy or not. Adult Academy have not given any feedback on this. So that is the reason why I have not done that. But in my personal opinion, I feel that it for professional, improvement, that might be needed. Sharing of the contact details might be useful, but I'm not sure because once they don't give the permission, then I'm not sure. Anyway, I think we can be there in touch in the WhatsApp group, and the sir, can we get the marks immediately? No, after tomorrow evening only marks will be available because after everyone completes, within that time frame completes only the mark will, because we'll be sending the link to all the participants. So we'll be giving chance to all the registered participants to attend the test. So that is actually how the adult document tells that way. So after that only, that is tomorrow only, after tomorrow only, I'll be in a position to do this. Sir, Shaktivel sir, you are there in the WhatsApp group, right? So we'll be able to.
Sir, I am available, sir.
Okay, no problem, sir. From there, we'll be in a position to connect. The
Yeah,
WhatsApp group will be active for some more time so that you will be in a position to post your, queries and all those things. And
please, sir,
in case
please.
I need some documents or something which the adult people are asking, then I might post something, and please help me to obtain the documents, requisite documents from your end. Okay. So with these few words, I am telling thanks to all, and shall we close this meeting? Or if we don't have anything more to discuss, we can close this meeting. So shall we close? Jayashree ma'am?
Yes, sir. Thank you so
Jayashree ma'am
much.
is not telling anything.
Yes, sir. Bye. Thank you so much.
Bye. She was not telling anything for a long time, and I was thinking what she's going to tell. Bye. Bye. Okay then. Okay. Ma'am, Rajashree ma'am, what you are trying to tell? Rajashree ma'am?
Yeah. I'm asking that this time you will not share any attendance link, sir. That's last.
No attendance for this session.
Okay. Thank you very
No
much,
attendance.
sir.
No
And
attendance for this session.
one more, sir. That link for evaluation that you are going to share in our mail. In mail ID, we will get that
Mail
link.
as well as WhatsApp group we will be sending.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
recording mostly.